Hey guys, it's your girl the Bedrock Beauty, and I'm back with another video. I'm fresh off my birthday. By the time you guys see this, it'll be a little bit past my birthday. I'm super excited for this 2018, this year. I'm grateful for everything, all the progress that I've made. And today what we're gonna do is, I've always wanted to do a full face using one brand, so that's what we're gonna do today. So the easiest brand, I wanted to lean towards more drugstore and not something that's too expensive or whatever. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do full face using all NYX products. That's from brows, eyes, face, everything. I'm gonna try. The only thing that will not be from NYX, I would say, is maybe a highlighter in my lashes, because you know I gotta rock Bedrock Cosmetics.
Watch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you want it too. Don't know what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave. The night is still young. All we need is now. Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night. Just let me feel you close. Come surround me. Don't ever let me go. Come surround me. Just let me feel you close. Slowly, but don't wait for too long. Just hold me. We're right where we belong. Don't know what you need, but I got what you want, babe. We don't have to leave. The night is still young. Stay in the light. I want you to see it, just for tonight. I want to believe. So keep on coming closer. Keep me hanging on. Let me feel your body. I want you to know. All we need is love. Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night. Just let me feel you close. Come surround me. Don't ever let me go. Come surround me. Just let me feel you close.
Okay guys, this is the finished makeup look. Let me guys know what you guys thought about the editing. I tried to do a little bit less talking and a little more makeup for you guys, but this is the 99% NYX one brand makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Link down below some other brands you guys want me to try out, and I'll try to make sure I have enough products to do a full face just like this. I'm going to do a high-end version of this as well. Thank you guys for chilling with me today. Happy birthday to anybody born in April, the best month to be born. Thank you guys. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, all of that goodness. Also, click the links down below for Bedrock Cosmetics or any other things that I'm working on. My limited edition birthday highlighter 1992 is now available. Y'all better get it before it sells out, because once it sells out, it's gone. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. If I was stranded on a desert island and this is my only makeup palette, I probably still want to use it. Like, and that's kind of harsh, but